All right, guys, it is confetti time because we've just got ourselves another new box from Mini GT, and we are essentially going to be talking about some of the new drops that are going to come from Mini GT. And the last time we did something similar was just a little before the Malaysia Diecast Expo. And why I'm bringing up the Malaysia Diecast Expo is because it's just gotten over, and what you see behind on the frame right there, those two vehicles came out at the Malaysia Diecast Expo. So we are going to be talking about those. Those are really important. And then there is, of course, every enthusiast or mini GT enthusiast dream, which is finally here, the 911 GT3R, the Petit Le Mans, or more affectionately known as the Skeleton Rexy. So yeah, it's finally dropped in the Indian market. The pricing was a little higher than what was advertised when the PO or the pre-order was open, and that's because of the change in the dollar to rupee conversion rate. That is what the authorized distributors told us, but it's finally here and we've got our hands on those as well. So that was just recently dropped. In fact, a couple of days back is when it came out in the Indian market. And now, like I said, it's confetti time. Tons and tons of confetti, cars falling down from that box because we are going to be talking about some of the vehicles that are already here and some that are now going to come out very soon. So you see the Toyota logo right here. Which one is this going to be? All right, so this is the GR86 LB Nation in the Advan livery. So we just saw the Kaido House Advan R33 as well, and this is now the LB Nation Advan livery on the Toyota GR86. So that is one of the cars. Then we come to a Silvia. So this is the LB Super Silhouette Silvia S15. Again, the Team Mini GT Liberty Walk. So we just saw the beautiful Team Mini GT Chrome Blue Silvia S15 just a couple of weeks back. And this one is here as the Halloween special. So yes, the Skeleton Rexy was a Halloween special as well. And this is a Halloween special livery as well. So we'll do a separate video on this comparing the previous blue chrome versus this one because the difference is going to be in the livery and of course the decals. So that's the second car. What do we have next? Another shiny Toyota is what we see here, and that is going to be the Toyota Supra A80 Top Secret. Let me just adjust the light. Hopefully this is better now. Yeah. So this could have easily passed off as an event exclusive. It's got plenty of red chrome on it, and that's the car that we see here. So this is the A80 Top Secret Supra. We've seen it in other colorways, the most recent being the purple or the violet, and now you get it in the red chrome. So if you're a big fan of the chrome edition vehicles, this is going to be something that should hopefully excite you. What do we have next? We have another one in Mini GT's now growing Senna collection. This is the Lotus 99T from the 1987 Monaco Grand Prix. This was the Grand Prix winner. So this is Ayrton Senna in that famous DeLonghi. It's a coffee machine or a coffee brand, and that's the logo that you see here. It's a Lotus with the Honda engine. So this is going to be another story worth telling. So we'll definitely do that as well. What do we have next? We have a Kaido House, the Grady Kaido House, and you will see how Kaido has been doing these, or rather bringing back these nice 2D sketches or clip art kind of stuff back on their boxes. So the Grady GTR R34 Kaido works. We've seen it in other liveries, and this is going to be a dark livery with that black or carbon finish. So we need to definitely check this one out as well. So we'll do that. But I really like the way they have done the box, and it's a green on the side. Very nice green color. And yeah, it is not G-ready, it is Grady. It even says pronounced Grady, right? Grady. So yeah, from the words great and eddy, as in a strong swirling wind current, referring to the strong swirling intake air of a turbocharger. Well, thanks for the explanation there, Kaido. This is a good explanation. Yeah, Grady, that's how it's pronounced. What do we have next? We have a Bentley, the Batur Bonneville in a pearl white. Definitely excited to check this one out. I have loved the Bentleys that Mini GT has done in the past. I have not seen the Batur scale model up close and personal, so definitely going to be checking this one out. What else do we have? We have one more Mini GT, a blue one. Oh yeah, this is the Bugatti Bolide presentation. This is another car that just dropped uh, alongside the Skeleton Rexy. And again, a vehicle that is pretty sought after. This is the Bolide presentation. Just before that, we also got the red color variant that you saw. What else? What else? Ooh, this one, yeah, this I have seen the prototype of, and it looks rather stunning. So super excited for this one. This should drop real soon now. I've seen some of the international markets already posting about it, so it should drop in India real soon. This is the LB Works Lamborghini Huracan GT Ronin. So that's the paint scheme. We've seen the Huracan GT, the LB Works Huracan GT in other liveries, other forms as well, but this is the Ronin. And honestly, the pictures will make it look a little dull, but if you are a fan of this casting, the Liberty Walk Huracan GT, definitely get yourself one of these because, like I said, I've seen the prototype and the paintwork looks rather gorgeous. Of course, it doesn't pop like some of the other colorways that we've seen for this casting, but I think it's a definite must have if you like this casting, like I said. So definitely get it. If you've not got yourself a Huracan GT already, this could be a good starting point. But if you don't have one already, maybe look for some of the more poppy colorways is what I would say. And speaking of poppy colorways, wow, we have another Kaido House, and this is a really awaited one. Not as awaited as the Halloween Rexy, maybe, but definitely awaited. People are crazy for this one. This is a great casting. We know that this is the BMW M3 Kaido Works, and they have had some brilliant colorways on this, but this one is really going to be gorgeous. The 711. We've seen the 711 branding become a big craze with some of the other scale model brands. We've seen it become a big craze in the sneaker world as well. Plenty of sneakers or even the Croc 711 collabs, etc. They really fly off the shelves. And the same is going to happen to this one. So there is the Larry Chen connection as well. Larry Chen is a very famous automotive photographer. We saw the Larry Chen GR86 also from Mini GT in the past. And that honestly got a bit of a lukewarm response. But this one, with this colorway, with this 711 livery, sorry, is going to be definitely something that is going to excite a lot of people out there. 711 fans, BMW fans, Kaido House fans, Mini GT fans, or scale model fans in general, especially in the 1:64 scale, you are definitely going to like this. So we'll do a separate video on this one for sure. Do we have anything more, or is it just an empty box now? Oh no, there is something more. There are a couple of more cars, in fact. Let's check out. What do we have here? Oh, I know what this is. This is already dropped, guys. This was again dropped alongside that Halloween Rexy. This is the Sylvia S13, and this is in the Kaido Drift. There you go. Sylvia S13 Kaido Drift V1. And it's a beautiful livery again. The S13 is something that we've already seen in a few colorways from Kaido House and Mini GT. We just saw the beautiful emerald green. That is what it debuted with. Or should I say, yeah, that is in fact what it debuted with because just around the same time at the MDX, they also did the black edition Sylvia S13. Again, a very gorgeous casting, gorgeous looking colorway as well. That beautiful black and that gold engine, it just looked awesome. But those were some solid colorways, let's put it that way. And this Kaido Drift just takes it to a different level, just goes crazy with the graphics, and you get a foretaste of that on the box itself. So, yeah, this is quite a beautiful casting to begin with and a beautiful colorway as well. And this is already dropped. In fact, this was the only Kaido house that was dropped this week alongside that Halloween Rexy. And the last car from this set is going to be the Silverado. we love the Kaido House Silverados, right? And we've seen some serious colorways recently, just the way we saw with the S13. We've seen some solid colorways or maybe dual tones or whatever, but this one is going a little wild now, and quite wild, in fact. And I think this one also looks pretty beautiful, especially in the flesh. This one looks quite nice. So this is another one that we will, of course, unbox. So that is what the new drop from Mini GT and Kaido House is going to be like. So I've just got the confetti out of the way. Well, almost. Let's just line up the entire drop once again so we have a clearer view of what that looks like. So let's just line up the four Kaido houses right here. And let's just do the Mini GTs on top of them. Don't worry, I'm going to focus. The camera is not ready to autofocus all that well today. But yeah, I think this should fill up the frame quite well. So, confetti out of the way, box out of the way. This is what the latest drop looks like. Already released, already released, already released. So yeah, these three cars are already released. Super excited about the 711 BMW. Excited about the Huracan GT Liberty Walk as well. Always excited about all the Advan colorways on different models. Just makes for such a beautiful lineup, right? Especially when you're displaying all your vehicles. Excited to see this one as well. Not a big fan of chrome cars, but definitely excited to see the top secret in the red chrome. And very excited about this one. I'm a fan of Senna, that era of racing, and you already hopefully saw the one that we did on the 190e Senna, and now we have this one. So this story definitely is something that we'll try and shoot. So give me some time to shoot that for you. But we'll do an unboxing of this one real soon. We'll do an unboxing of the Greddy GTR R34 as well, because this one definitely needs to be seen. I like that casting, and I'm going to show you what it looks like in this livery. And I'm going to try and do one on the Silvia S13 as well. So we'll do a table talk separately with that. But let me know, out of all of this, which one is going to be your favorite, including the ones that were dropped right now, including that little, or rather excluding the Halloween Rexy, because it's already, I mean, it was sold out in a matter of minutes, right? So we know most of you love it. In fact, if you watched the video all the way till here, that means you are a Mini GT fan. You love collecting Mini GTs, you love tracking Mini GTs, and you've definitely got yourself the Halloween Rexy already. If you haven't, well, I feel sorry for you, because now you're going to have to pay some insane prices in the secondary market. But yeah, for whatever you see on the screen now, which one is going to be your favorite? What are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comments below. I just told you my favorite picks already.